my god, that's so wide. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, that is wide. That is wide. Oh. Yo, what's up everyone? It's SNT and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna be taking out the Grom a little bit in the snow. It's currently not insured, so you're not gonna take it out on the street. We're gonna mess around on our property a little bit, so having some fun in the snow. I'm definitely dressed for snow, so this is gonna be very interesting, but I think it's gonna be cool. It's good enough and this is gonna be fun. We got so much snow and I really hope the lake freezes so we can ride some stuff on the lake. So as you guys can see, there's a couple of changes to the bike since you guys last saw it. You can see I got some mirrors now because the cops didn't like no mirrors. Might be a video about that later, but I got stopped by 2 motorcycle cops and they told me to get mirrors and stuff. So got that. We got a new fat bar, a gold fat bar with some lift kit, so the bar's a little bit higher, much nicer to ride with. Definitely recommend that if you get a fat bar, get some lifters, risers to get it lifted up. Then I don't really know much more has changed on it. We're getting some new stuff for the bike, so guess in the comment section down below what you think is gonna be happening to the Grom, and then I'm probably gonna sell it. So if you're in Sweden and you want the Grom, hit me up on Instagram because I'm looking to get the SNT Moto or dirt bike. So yes, yeah, let's do some riding. Oh my god, we're drifting. Holy shit. Like we're zigzagging the entire road. You guys probably can't even see it on the GoPro. Holy shit. Like we're legit going sideways, look at this. Hopefully you guys can see this on the GoPro. It's so fun. Holy shit. This is the best, dude. And also, if you have not, for some reason, you have not subscribed to the channel, like if you have not subscribed to SNT Moto on YouTube, do it right now. Our goal is to hit 100,000 this year. I know it's super ambitious, but we gotta do it though, so yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Okay, 4th gear, highest gear right now. Oh, we're moving forward. 4th gear doesn't spin as much. Holy shit, we're going. Holy shit, we're in forward. Oh my god. You see? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's ridiculous. Oh my god, we're sideways. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, we're drifting like crazy. But also this bar right here with the lift kit is so nice. Instead, usually used to hit my knees and stuff. Now it's just all good. So now I can go lock to lock, which is something I was not able to do before. It's like this. So now I can do lock to lock, which is so much nicer, especially when it's slippery like this. Oh, let's see if I can make it up the driveway. It's like a hill climb, so let's see if the Grom can do the hill climb. Grom hill climb in the snow. Let's go. Oh, we're doing it. Holy shit. Holy shit. We almost did it. That was not a good idea. Oh my god, I'm covered in snow. Oh, up here, oh my god, no. Look at this, I was gonna go out on like our little field. And it's just a swamp. There's just swamp. Okay, we can't go out there. Well, screw this. And also this thing, I don't know if you guys from other countries have this. This is a baklastare. It's a tractor that you drive the other way. Pretty interesting. shit. This is the best. Oh, we're doing mad drift. I hope you guys can see this on the GoPro. Oh. I definitely got one of those 360 cameras so I can add some third person angles because this is mad. Oh my god, I almost wiped out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is so fun but so sketchy at the same time. Oh my god. Look at this. We're full lock. Oh my god, dude. Formula Drift, you signed me already, you know? Grom edition Formula Drift. Coming in, we're taking the first corner, mad angle, taking a clip point, we're going in on the center. Oh, he takes the return. Oh my god, he takes the return. Oh, yeah, and we get the clip and solve. That was kind of weak. We're just gonna take it on this one. Oh my god, oh, oh my god. We ended up strong. Oh, full lock, taking the other zone. Okay, got him weak. Oh my god, on the steering. Oh my god, full lock. Oh. Oh my god, full lock. So, your whole Formula Drift just signed me up already. Ah. Oh, the pegs just saved me right there. I felt it. Ah. Oh, saved it. Oh my god, dude. Okay, let's go back to riding. My dad would not be too happy if I rode down this grass hill right here. So we can use the driveway if we can. Ah, fuck it. He's not gonna be happy about this, but I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. It's not meant to be, but I was sliding down. I couldn't do anything else. Oh my god, we're going into the ditch. Come on, no, not into the ditch. Oh my god, that's so wide. Oh my god. Oh, that's wide. Oh. Oh my god, dude, that is so crazy. Let's get into second gear. That's the best gear for drifting apparently. Holy. Oh, that's the best thing ever. Oh, we're going fast. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's a crash. Oh, we saved it. Oh my god. Oh, holy shit. Oh, dude, it was so much fun to take it out on the street. Oh my god, dude, so much snow everywhere. Oh, now we're moving fast. Oh. Foot. Oh, my leg. And the bars are bent, but that's easy to fix. That's a common stunt rider problem. Okay, now it's getting too sketchy when it's so slushy outside. It's so sketchy when you're tired. You just gotta get back up and you gotta keep going. Because if not, you're gonna get scared. That's the biggest thing, like when you crash, just get back up and keep trying. As long as you haven't broken anything. Always try to end on a positive note when you're learning something, because then you want to get back and do it again. Time. Come on, give it time. Oh, there you go. I do need to take this thing street drifting, and also the bent handlebar, that's easy to fix. That's just a quick fix. It looks worse than it is. Oh my god, dude. That was so much fun. That's a freaking workout, because the balance point in the Grom is so low, so it feels super heavy, and it's like 100 kg. Oh. Hope you guys enjoyed this video for real. And let me know in the comment section if you want to see some street drifting or some shit, or more snow drifting with the Grom. I might be able to make that happen. So thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, I'm gonna go inside and eat some food now. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, you have to subscribe for that. More content coming this year, 2 videos a week. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And as always, until next time, stay awesome, be positive. It's been SNT, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.